Good luck, everybody. Teams are on the screen. Starting off in 2013, working our way up to honors in 2016. I hate damn 2013 Absolute, how they did these boxes. Let's do this. Use scissors. But the knife might be easier. It was not. Guys, we have a hit draft that's full of honors after this. If you guys want to stick around to watch, feel free. RG3, Greg Jennings. We got a Le'Veon Bell rookie numbered to 99. Percy Harvin. And our first hit, Mike Gillislee, Rookie Premier Materials, NFL Signatures. I believe Gillislee's rookie year, he was on the Dolphins. I'll double check. It's either the Bills or Dolphins. I think it was the Dolphins his rookie year. Yeah, Gillislee still plays. Base. Cornelius Cardine to 499. Greg Jennings. And for the Titans, Kenny Britt, Chris Johnson, Michael Griffin, and Kendall Wright, numbered to 99. Quad jersey card. Didn't the Patriots just try signing him? Seriously, they signed a offer sheet for him. I think the Bills have to match it if they want to keep him. Chris Harper to 499. Sam Bradford. I know you get all excited. You see the quarterback for the Phillies. You're like, oh, is that Carson Wentz? No, it's 2013. It's Matt Barkley. Fuck. Numbered to 99. Matt Barkley RPA. For the Eagles. Here's what we need. We need vet stuff out of 2013. We need Le'Veon Bell, Eddie Lacy, DeAndre Hopkins, or vet stuff. Base. Kenbrell Tompkins to 499. Reggie Wayne. That's not bad. Latavius Murray rookie auto. Numbered to 499. But for the Raiders, going to Vikings 15. Latmer. New Viking. He is a new Viking. I'm sure you like that card. You got the Raiders and you got the one guy that's now a Viking. Tell me that's not fate right there for you, Vikings. Fate. Guys, again, stick around after the break if you want to watch some honors get open. It's already full of honors, but if you want to stick around to see some cool cards, got a couple boxes of honors getting opened after this. And then probably maybe some personal boxes if anybody wants personal boxes after this too. After the honors. You know what we gotta do, Royce? We gotta do that last box of Spectra eventually. Maybe do a division on that. Wednesday, same as everybody else, Mike. Wednesday. I will be listing Bowman on probably Monday, Mike. Monday, Bowman will get listed. You know my prices will be the best out there. Marcus Hunt to 499. AJ Green and DeAndre Hopkins rookie jersey numbered to 99 for the Texans. Oh, that's something, guys. If you're new to the room, you might want to hop into the Facebook group. If you're going to get into the Bowman baseball, I will have the best prices. I pride myself on having the lowest prices on each product. Base. Marcus Wheaton to 99. Eli Manning. And Stepfan Taylor, jersey auto RPA, numbered to 299 for the Cardinals. Look, it's David Johnson. No, it's not. It's Stepfan Taylor. Fuck. Damn straight, Mike. Base. Alex Okafor to 499. MJD. Ooh, there you go. Like I said, you want some vets. Bill Sims recently demoted because of Tony Romo, now in the studio show. 23/25 helmet auto for the Giants. Got the Giants. Chiefs Nation. There you go, Mr. Smith. Congratulations. 23/25 on the Phil Sims helmet auto. What we were hoping for, vet stuff out of Legend and vet stuff out of Absolute was good. Base. James Jones to 49. Mr. Peyton Manning. And Terrence Williams RPA numbered to 299. Terrence Williams RPA to 299 for the Cowgirls. Going to Mr. Raider Nation Don. Guys, if anybody wants personal boxes after we do the honors break, let me know. I can tell you what I got in and pricing on it. What I have in and pricing. I got baseball, I got football, I got basketball. I got solid prices on my products. What is Mr. Roscoe? No, because here's the thing, Mike. When I do Bowman, I guarantee I'll have the lowest or one of the lowest total PYT pricing, but somebody might have a lower price on a team or two. Dante Moncrief refractor. Is that an auto? This is our auto. It's a bubble refractor auto. We're gonna look at that last. Zach Mettenberger to 299. Black refractor. Tom Savage Wiener card. Derek Carr rookie. Aaron Rodgers refractor. David Fales refractor. Pulsar Jared Abadis 271. Aaron Murray Wiener. Tom Savage insert. Trey Mason mini die cut. Teddy Bridgewater mini die cut. This one's numbered. Ooh, that one's numbered 1 of 332. 1 of 332. Cody Latimer refractor. Geno Smith refractor. Ooh, we got a second auto in this box. Dion Bailey auto for the Seahawks. Dion Bailey auto for the Seahawks. That's just going to be a second auto. There's another auto here. A bubble refractor auto. I don't know yet, Mike. Actually, I do know, but I'm not advertising it yet. Number to 199, Jason Witten blue. And the other auto is bubble refractor to 99, Donte Moncrief for the Colts, 31 of 99 auto. Going to GTGD. Donte Moncrief rookie auto, 31 of 99. That's a decent one. I could tell you around a guesstimate of what it will be, Mike, because I still have to figure out my costs and stuff. On hobby, my guess is the Yankees will probably be around 100. That's my guess. I've seen them higher. Is that Allen? Gotta be 808. Who's gotta be 808? It's somebody. It's one of the Hawaiians. I just don't know which one. Sean. There you go, Sean. Sean's in. Sean's here. Sean, we're gonna be doing the. This is the mixer. We're gonna do the honors after. If you're still around. I gotcha. Yeah, I got the Yankees. I'll let you know, Mike, when I go. Ooh, we got a red refractor here. Red refractor. I think it was a 25 on this set. GTGD, Donte Moncrief for you, sir. Donte Moncrief rookie auto to 99. You got a Matt Barkley RPA out of 2013 Absolute so far, Sean. Oh my, that's an auto. We got a red auto. We're going to save that for last. Josh Huff refractor. AJ McCarron wiener. We got a gold too. Lache C-Struck. Number to 50. You can't see it too far away. There we go. 7 of 50. Too bad it was Lache C-Struck. Pulsar, Des Bryant to 271. Aaron Donald. Bishop Sankey wiener. Derek Carr, mini die cut. Marshawn Lynch refractor. Bubble, Bruce Ellington, number to 99. Terrence West insert. Jordan Reed refractor and a blue refractor of Mr. Demaryius Thomas, numbered to 199. Take this off the back. I know who the auto is just from seeing a hand. I already know who it is, but I'm not going to ruin it for you guys. 23 of 25 red auto of Mr. Kelvin Benjamin, rookie auto for the Panthers. Brian 86, congrats Brian. 23 of 25 Kelvin Benjamin, rookie auto, red refractor to 25. It is a nice one. There you go, Brian. Congrats, sir. High tech. On to 2015. On to 2015. Base. Todd Gurley rookie. Base. Devin Smith numbered to 99. And our auto, Brashad Perryman. Squiggly line, Brashad Perryman on card, rookie auto for the Ravens. Going to Pagoda. I know. We got another high tech. We're doing Strata now. Because I feel like it. Dude is a beast. I love this guy. Landon Collins. Stupid white thing on the back. Landon Collins, rookie auto for the Giants. Going to Mr. Chiefs Nation. Unfortunately, it's numbered to 800. I should have kept this thing on the back. There we go. 41 of 800, but Landon Collins is still a beast. Super short print. If it's numbered to 801 or less, it's super short print. And a Chris Conley RPA jersey auto for the Chiefs. Going to Greeno Mandingo. Oh, that doesn't fit. That top loader. Get a bigger one. Open. There we go. Let's go. We need a good vet auto out of here. A nice vet auto would be lovely. Mr. Jerry Rice, numbered to 75. Speaking of Landon Collins, that's a better one right there. Gold refractor auto, Landon Collins, numbered 14 of 50. Giants killing it. They're going to be an Eli in honors now? Bill Sims to Landon Collins. Come on, focus. There you go. 14 of 50 on the Landon Collins rookie auto. Nothing for the Browns yet, Mr. Lee. Chiefs Nation. Chiefs Nation killing it with those Giants, man. Guys, just so you know, after this break, we are breaking honors. We have, it's full already. Honors hit draft is full. I will do personal boxes after that. I will not be going live again until Monday, though. I'm going out of town with the wife and kid this weekend. We're going to an indoor water park. Vic Beasley, numbered to 800 for the Falcons. Vic Beasley to 800 for the Falcons. Jersey auto to 75 of Max Williams for the Ravens for Pagoda. Womp, womp, womp. On to 2016. Classics. Love this stuff. So many vet stuff in Classics. That is correct, Sean. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing my shipping. Get all the shipping out from this week. And then Saturday morning I'm leaving. I mean, I can go out for personal boxes tomorrow night, but it won't be shipping until after the weekend. because I'll have all the shipping done before then. All right, guys, good luck. Do Raymond Berry glossy Rod Woodson insert. Joe Montana, Le'Veon Bell, John Elway, Dimitri Dawson red, Jameson Crowder, Cam Newton black parallel, Novak for the Panthers, Cam Newton, Allen Robinson redback. Timeless Tributes, Malcolm Mitchell, numbered to 99, 24/99, DeForest Buckner glossy. David Johnson, Andrew Billings, Russell Wilson, Peyton Manning, Emmitt Smith. Warren Moon, Mr. Beckham. The Damian Tomlinson. Nope, I thought that was a parallel. I was wrong. Marco Murray, Eli Manning. Roger Staubach. Man, where's the auto? I hate this bottom fucking card. Derrick Henry, redback. Auto's gotta be right. Yep. There's the auto. Put the auto down. Check it out last. Larry Fitzgerald, glossy. Jared Goff, Alan Hearns. Here's our auto. I believe it's a vet auto. Kellen Winslow for the Chargers. Kellen Winslow for the Chargers, and that is numbered 99/99. Chargers going to Sigma. Mr. Sigma with the Kellen Winslow Legend Auto. 99/99. Yeah, Sean. You actually have to spend time with your family. That's okay, Sean. You sell a house over the weekend so we can open a bunch of stuff on Monday. How's that sound, Sean? All right, guys. Last box mojo. Time for some honors. Love honors. Greatest ever. Guys, we got 2 more boxes of honors we're opening after this and a hit draft, which is already full. But please stick around to watch it because honors is the greatest. Honors is some badass stuff. Here we go. Numbered to 99, Mr. Mike Evans base. First up, 98/99, rookie auto, Will Fuller for the Texans. Will Fuller, rookie auto for the Texans. Going to Blaine. Blaine on the Will Fuller. I can't find the numbering, so we'll just do this. Ooh. Numbered 1/2. 1/2. Who called an Eli? I called an Eli. I said, wow, look at all these Giants. Watch an Eli come out of honors. Damn, Chiefs Nation. Eli Manning out of flawless, numbered 1/2. 1/2. Eli Manning out of flawless for honors. That's crazy sauce. I called that shit. Chiefs Nation killing it. Killing it on the Eli, 1 of 2. Giants won that break. The Giants won